now we're on our way to Los Angeles. We're going to meet up with Tom Cruise in Hollywood. There is driver, Mr. Paulus Jr. And at the back seat is Mrs. Karan Michael. Right next to her is Mr. Paulus Sr. We are now in San Francisco, still going south. What's up? Woo! I want to say happy holidays to all them YouTubers, Facebookers, video streamers, whatever there is on the internet. Coming out from this local boy, Moe. Peace and love out your way. We apologize for the inconvenient crack right here. A bird flew into our car and this is what it did to our glass. Right there. Big crack. Is that right, Mr. Doggy? Oh, he said it's right. Beautiful, beautiful land of San Francisco.